It's midnight 3 a.m. It's midnight 3 a.m. It's 31st October. It's Diwali in India. And I'm also not well. I've been sick for 3 days. And this bird, he got injured in the cage. And her eye started bleeding. And bleeding was also from the nostril. Yes. Yeah. So since yesterday afternoon, she had been bleeding. So this bird has come in my house for the treatment. Yeah. So I put this e-collar. Yeah. Good girl. She's gonna receive meds now. I gave a pain relief shot just now. Winter. Good girl. Good girl. Winter. Yeah, good girl. You're fine. Good girl. Good bird.